Hi there, let's learn about the accessibility profiles in Helperbird and how to enable them. In the top left corner of the Helperbird app, find the little cog icon for settings. Click that. Scroll down to the Profiles button. Click there, and it will bring you to the different accessibility profile options. Each of these profiles will change the Quick Actions menu and enable different settings and features within Helperbird that are related to each of these profiles. Let's choose Reading Comfort for an example. Here it will show what settings will be enabled, and then when you're ready, you just click the Apply button below, and here it will have updated the different Quick Actions menu as well as changed the features in Helperbird to match this Reading Comfort accessibility profile. Play around with these, see what you like, and mix and match and take it from there.